February 21. Umuwi ako ng Pilipinas.
Teka, wait lang. 21? Akala ko umuwi ka ng Pilipinas nung 20 eh.
Ah, 20 ba? Akala ko 21.
Hindi, 20 nung umuwi ka. Kaya ulitin mo.
Okay, sige. February 20. Umuwi ako ng Pilipinas para sunduin ang aking anak.
Saglit, February? Di ba, winter pa yun? Summer na ngayon ah. Ano ba nangyari? Ano bang ginawa mo?
Busy?
Ay, naku Atoy. Bahala ka. Tinamad ka lang eh.
Syempre, kailangan kong i-upload yan. Kasi memories kasi yan. Alam mo na, nung sinundo ko yung anak ko, memories ko yan nung nasa Pilipinas. Kailangan kong i-upload yun.
Saan palik naman ng mundo at kung anong oras mo man ito pinapanood.
Mabuhay.
Po tayong lahat mga katropa. Grabe, ang ganda.
Goodbye, Canada! Mabuhay!
Okay. Nandito ako ngayon sa Winnipeg. At dito muna ako sa ngayon magpa-park at mag-i-stay. Tapos mamaya punta na akong airport. Grabe ang lamig. Ano?
Sobrang hangin ba sa biyahe?
Oo. Mahangin siya. Kasama ko si Jen. Kasama dati sa Nipawa. So dito muna mga tropa. Mamaya na lang ulit. Ay, lamig. Ayan. Ay, nakalakot. Daling palang lock. Good morning. Ay. Hali na. At nakatulog. Pahinga. Magsara. Mamaya pa yung flight ko. So kukunin ko muna yung bag. Hindi ko na nakakuha kagabi kasi sobrang lamig. Lamigad. Lamig talaga. Biglaan kasi itong storm. Kahit alas 2 pa yung biyahe ko mamaya, kailangan ko na kasi makapunta doon para makapag-check-in kasi mahirap na yung naghahabol eh. Kaya ito, prepare na. Tapos nagpe-prepare si Jen ng ipapakain sa akin kahit wag na lang sana, kaso sabi niya para na konting gastos na. Luluto ng chicken. Tawagin ko na si Gia.
Gia!
Hi Gia! Come here.
Hi!
Hello.
Kuya, hello!
Hi! Laki na ni Gian, oh. Hey, hi. Up here. Alright, laki na ni Gio. Tingnan nyo, laki na, oh. Dito na, dati. Liit lang. Ano nangyari sa mata mo? Sabi nila, pag meron daw ganyan yung mata, naninilip daw. Kasama ko lang dati sila sa sa Nipawa. Ngayon, meron na silang sariling bahay. Meron akong video noon nung lilipat na sila last year nung summer, kaso hindi ko na-upload kasi nga ang daming ginawa. Pero soon, i-upload ko yun kahit late na. Tapos na po tayong kumain at maraming salamat din mahal kasi pagkain sa sa airport. Kaya buti na lang pinakain ako. Iwan ko na rin yung susi ko rito, baka mamaya maiwan ko sa Pilipinas. Kaya dito na, mas mabuti nang iwan ko yung susi ko rito. At saka, baka sakali mga paanda-andar pa ni Gary. Mamaya, mag-ano na rin ako ng magbubuk ako ng Uber. Punta sa airport at para maagang makapag-check-in. Yung...
Alahan, kung ano kasi yung asawa ng abroad.
Oo.
Sabi ko, pag hindi naman awal yan.
May sinasabi si Jen habang nagluluto siya. Na-realize na niya. Iba na yung pananaw niya ngayon, nandito siya sa abroad. Kasi nung nasa Pilipinas siya, iba yung iba yung pananaw mo nun, di ba? Tapos ngayon, grabe, na-realize na niya kung gaano kahirap. Oh. Yung sinasabi niya na akala niya malaki yung kinikita rito, saka maganda yung buhay. Hindi ko naman sinasabing hindi magandang buhay dito. Yung expectation niya sa realidad. Magkaiba. Dati sabi mo...
Dati hindi ako naniniwala sa bilang. Diyan magagastos yung pera sa Pinas. Malaki, pero pag dito, wala rin. Boss, din sa bayaran lang ito.
Oo, kasi yung kinikita dito, bawat piso dito, 44 times doon. Ay, 40 times. Ganoon.
Oo, kasi yung value ng dollar dito.
Oo. Malaki sa
Pinas.
Pilipinas.
Ngayon sabi ko, totoo talaga.
Totoo talaga.
Okay lang, walang trabaho sa Pinas.
Pero dito,
Pwede.
hindi pwede. Ayun, maraming bayarin talaga dito. So, kailangan nilang kailangan kumayod ang both side ng mag-asawa. At pagka malalaki na yung mga anak, pwede na rin tumulong, gano'n. Kaya yung karamihan mga bata rito, independent pag lumaki na. Kasi natututo na silang kumayod. Yung iba nga, 16, nagpa-part-time na eh. Basta may parent consent hanggang sa kaya na nilang sarili, mag-solo, sa buhay. So ayun, na-realize si Jen, fake news. Fake news lang yung nakikita sa social media. Pero pag nasubukan mo na experience mo na yung buhay, talagang mapapasabi mong totoo nga yung mga sinasabi nila. Pero nakaka-survive.
Oo.
Masaya pa rin. Masaya pa rin, nakaka-survive.
Kailangan may trabaho.
Kailangan may trabaho. Ayun.
Pwedeng tambay-tambay lang. Sa Pinas, okay lang.
Oo, sa Pinas. Kaya sinasabi nilang masaya ang buhay sa Pinas. Kasi kahit hindi ka magtrabaho, okay.
Dito hindi ako yung katulong. Sayang ang babayan.
Kasi kanina may pinag-uusapan kami, yung sa baba kasi, yung sa basement nila dito sa bahay at saka yung inumin sa lababo. Si Gary na gumawa nun, nagpatulong na siya ng konti kasi mahal ang labor dito. Eh, na-share ko tuloy yung yung inayos kong computer shop sa bahay bago ako umalis na halos sa 50% nun na ako na gumawa. Diskarte. So, sabi ko, kayang-kaya naman na siguro ito. Kasi mabilis lang naman matutunan yan at mapag-aralan. Kaya naman, pero sayang lang talaga. Okay, pambayad na lang ng bills, pambili na lang ng pagkain. Ganun na lang. Yan. So, ayun, sana ma-realize nyo na hindi namin pinupulot ang pera dito. Maraming nagsasabi na mahirap. Maniwala kayo, mahirap talaga ang kumita ng pera dito at buhay dito. Pero, nakaka-survive po kami at masaya din naman. Pag sinabi namin mahirap, hindi ibig sabihin, nagre-reklamo kami. Talagang sinasabi lang namin yung katotohanan. Kasi karamihan sa nasa Pilipinas, sinasabi nila, mayayaman na daw tayo dito. Meron may sinayot si Jen. Sabi niya, may pinautang ka.
Mumutang pa rin wala na akong trabaho.
nagbayad naman, hindi na.
Yung iba nagbayad, pero yung isa wala talaga.
Wala na. Ano na lang, regalo na lang yun.
Lalo na lang pag pamasko.
Oo, pamasko na lang. Oo, at least nakatulong si Jen. Actually, marami nang umutang sa akin nung una, pero kailangan mo munang i-survive yung sarili mo dito bago tumulong sa iba. Kasi talagang hindi ganun kadali. Hindi sa pagdadamot, hindi sa nagdadamot kami. Kailangan din lang namin i-secure yung sarili namin dito. So, ayun mga tropa, at kailangan ko nang mag-prepare. Maraming salamat sa pagkain din, ha.
Oo, walang problema.
At nakatipid, makakatipid lang. Yun.
Salabi.
Bye-bye. Ano, Jen? Sige, para. Salamat, ha. Salamat talaga. Bye-bye, Dia. Bye-bye. Okay na. Joke na muna. Paano na? This is my Uber driver. What's your name, buddy?
Faisa?
Faisa.
Yeah.
And he is nationality?
Yeah, from Ethiopia.
Oh, Utopia.
Yeah, from Ethiopia.
I was shocked because he knows how to speak a little bit of the Filipinos, because he said he has Filipino friends.
Salamat.
I'm going home to the Philippines, buddy, because
For how long?
3 weeks only.
That's it?
Yeah, that's
So
it.
you're gonna fly direct there or you're gonna go
Oh, Vancouver.
Vancouver, from Vancouver, Japan or
Oh no, Manila.
Manila?
Direct to the Philippines. You know what? How long I'm going to stay in Vancouver? 8 hours.
Wow,
That's
a long
crazy.
time. That's a very long time.
Yeah, it is very, very long. It's gonna be a boring, so I'm gonna roam around the airport in Vancouver.
You're gonna do some, movie, video.
Yeah, I'll do some video. Maybe talk a little bit, because I'm telling some of my experience here in Canada, so that they could know what's happening here and what's really life here. Because some of my Filipino viewers and friends, they expect more of life here, which is expectation versus reality is different, really different, big difference.
Yes. I came here, so as soon as I got here, I started doing tracking, just going to the state.
You were a truck driver.
Yeah, Canada-wide. Yeah, I'm just running a business. So,
Oh, so you're a businessman because of your trucking.
yeah,
And why? What happened? You still continue doing it?
just sometimes you need family, it's important. Right?
Yeah, it is. It is.
Not sometimes, all the time, family is very important. So,
It is. That's why I'm going home,
yeah.
because I'm come back here with my son,
Yeah.
and I could
With your son?
with my son.
Okay. Why don't you go Ethiopia? Ethiopia is booming. A lot of
Oh, Utopia. Maybe someday I could. You can send something on Utopia.
Yeah. Akam jirtu naguma namni kun YouTuber ida Ethiopia sadu futi
Oh,
kan itti mujira.
okay.
You know what I said? This guy is a YouTuber.
Uh-huh.
So if he comes to Ethiopia, you guys welcome him.
Oh, thank you very much, buddy.
Salamat.
I miss my country,
He's
buddy.
gonna eat a lot of fishes over there.
Yes, fresh food.
Oh yeah. Okay, Filipino, you guys have a lot of water.
Yes.
The population is in Filipino is like 80 or 90 million.
I don't know. I have no idea.
Around there, anyways.
Yeah, it's a tropical country and lots of good food.
Oh yeah, fish around there,
Yeah, fish around there. Yeah, fresh meat, fresh fish,
And you
fresh
You
vegetable.
guys have hard working girls too.
Yeah.
Here in Canada.
Yeah, it is.
Mostly,
It
they
is.
have 2 jobs. Oh my
Two, not only two, some three
Some
jobs.
they have 3.
How long have you been here in Canada? And 4 years? Oh, 12.
I've been here for a while, man. I'm a Canadian.
Oh, citizen now.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, that's good. That's gonna be my next target after
How long
I
have you
get.
been here for?
Oh, 5 years.
5 years?
Almost 5 years, man. So
That's fine.
that's why I'm doing this vlog, all my videos, because I want to change the perspective of my viewers that here in Canada, it's a good life. You can
yeah.
change your life here. You can earn money as long as you are a good, hardworking person.
Yes.
And don't be like too expensive. Your lifestyle, you need to be.
Canada is the best, people
to do some good lifestyle, not the higher lifestyle. Yeah. But expectation, don't expect too much that if you come here in Canada in just a year, you'll be gonna be a rich guy. No.
No, that's from above.
Yeah.
Salamat. You just work, you know. You don't
Yeah.
know if you're gonna be rich or not. But you need to work to survive. Right?
Yeah, you need to work to survive. You've been here for 12 years.
Yes.
Let me ask you, are you rich now?
Oh, middle class. I'm not rich, but since I came here, I've been just working.
Yeah.
So just running on business. You never know. One day you'll be rich,
Yeah.
you know.
You never know.
Yeah, as long as you just doing, keep
Working.
keep working.
Yeah,
you know.
keep working.
Always dream to be rich, you know. You never know you will get rich.
Ah, yes.
Yeah. Salamat.
Okay, there you go, guys.
Yeah.
What's your name again?
Isa.
Frieza?
Yeah. Nice to meet you guys.
Okay.
Salamat again.
And hope someday we could meet again.
Yeah, no problem. Have a nice day, buddy.
Yep.